Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless headphones with the Edifier W820NB Plus. Let's see if these affordable cans are worth your hard-earned cash. First off, let's talk features. The W820NB Plus packs quite a punch, offering a range of customization options right at your fingertips. With 3 levels of noise cancellation, 4 EQ modes, and even a gaming latency toggle, you've got plenty of ways to tailor your listening experience. And speaking of convenience, these headphones come with touch controls that are a breeze to use. Adjusting volume or toggling ANC is as simple as a tap on the right ear cup. Plus, with a total battery life of up to 49 hours, you can enjoy your tunes for days on end. But of course, features are only part of the equation. How do they sound? Well, here's where things get a bit tricky. While the W820NB Plus delivers decent audio quality for its price range, it falls short in terms of soundstage and clarity. Mid-tones can get lost in the mix, and at higher volumes, the sound can get a bit tinny. Now, despite these shortcomings, the W820NB Plus still offers solid value, especially for budget-conscious buyers. If you're not too picky about audio quality and prioritize customization and affordability, these headphones might just be right up your alley. So, should you buy the Edifier W820NB Plus? Well, if you're looking to save some cash without sacrificing too much in terms of features, these could be a great option. Just keep in mind their limitations when it comes to sound quality. Overall, they're a solid pair of budget-friendly headphones. And that wraps up our review of the Edifier W820NB Plus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.